Oh, they've arrived at last. Didn't think they were going to come, but they did. Just trying to get them open gently. See what we got in there. Just a moment. And they are. You can see them. Plenty of them in there, that's for sure. So let's get them in and ready. So I got them out just temporarily into this container and then transfer them into the big tank. So obviously they've been under stress. They all look nice and healthy at the moment, thank God. And we'll get ready to transport them over to the bigger tank and see how they go. So fingers crossed. Throwing them from the little tank here into the bigger one. Certainly a lot more in there than it looked when I first opened them. How small they are. I think they're enjoying the big tank anyway at the moment. A bit of a difference to that horrible bag. They seem to be enjoying themselves, as you can see in there, just finding their way around. It's a nice mix of colours by the looks of it, from what I can see. Everyone's finding their feet, me included. So managed to move them all into the big tank. Just settling in, found a couple of the quiet spots. Good. So we'll let them settle in a little bit and then try and give them a bit of food. But touch wood, it looked like it went okay, and I didn't have, luckily, one dead one in any of the pack. So that's really good. We'll let them settle in a bit and then give them a little bit of food. So it's been a couple of hours now since I got them. They seem to have settled in nicely. Dropped a tiny bit of food in and it's all gone. They took it eventually. A little bit hesitant to start with, but got rid of it in the end. So I tried to do everything on a budget as much as I could. We got the fiberglass vat off a garden centre that was updating their tanks for 20 quid. I had to buy the pump, which was about 80. The air pump was second hand, 30. The storage containers for the filters were just from a typical pound shop, even though I paid £3 for them, I think it was. This vat here as well, that was second hand from a aquarium shop they were updating. That was £30. And then obviously just the pipe connectors and pipe and hose from your friendly local DIY store that we all know and love. So yeah, they've seem to have settled in, hopefully, at the moment anyway. And there was no dead loss at all, so I'm very happy with that. We'll just have to wait and see how they are tomorrow. Hopefully they'll be fine. Oh, and I had to pay £20 for the pond liner because the fiberglass vat was a little bit dirty. I had a lot of calcium on that wouldn't come off, so I just decided to temporarily put some pond liner in there. As you can see, it ain't great, but that's all I could do with the space I had. So I'll let you know tomorrow how it's going on. Speak to you all later. If you like it, please like. As I say, I'm new to this, so just finding my feet doing the videos as well. Thank you, and I'll speak to you soon.